Money's tight, and the budget rules you keep hearing just don't fit your paycheck. So this is how to budget on low income, for real. 3 simple steps. You'll have all three in about 2 minutes. And stay to the end, because one $10 bill a week builds your first $500 safety cushion. Let's go. I'm Charlie. This is Charlie's Money. Quick, why do the famous rules keep failing you? Take the 50-30-20 rule. It says keep your needs under half your pay. Maya brings home $2,400 a month. Her rent alone is $1,100. Add food, lights, and the bus. She's way past half already. The rule is broken before she even starts. And here's the thing. It's not that you're failing at budgeting. The budgeting method is failing you. These rules assume you have money left over. So we're going to skip the percentages and do something way simpler. Step 1. Write down the stuff you have to pay. Rent, food, lights, your ride to work, and the minimum payment on anything you owe. Put the amount next to each one. Now add it up. That number is your baseline. That's what your month costs, bare bones. Step 2. Take what you make and subtract your baseline. Now you know two things: if there's money left and exactly how much. Step 3. Make a list of everything else you spend on. Most important at the top. Then spend down the list until the money runs out. Draw a line right there. That's your money line. Everything under the line waits until next month. Simple as that. And if you get to step 2 and there's nothing left, then the list waits. No shame in that. Your whole game plan becomes the 3 doors I'll show you in a minute. That's not failing. That's just where you're starting. That's the whole thing. It's called the order method, and it's how to budget on low income without any fancy math. Now let's do Maya's page with real numbers. Takes about a minute, and that $10 trick is still coming. On a tight month, it's the one that matters most. Maya brings home $2,400. Her baseline: rent $1,100, food $280, lights $180, the bus $120, minimum payments $190. Added up, $1,870. That's her baseline. Step 2. $2,400 minus $1,870. $530 left. Now she knows her real number. Step 3. Her list, most important first. The phone. Work calls her. Laundry. Her nephew's birthday gift. Streaming. A haircut. The money walks down the list and stops right there. That's her money line. The 2 things under it, they go first next month. And next month, the gift and the haircut move to the top of the list. The system breathes. Nothing is ever lost. It just waits its turn. Nothing in her month is a mystery now. Every dollar has a job. That's the whole feeling of this method. Not rich yet, in control. One more thing, because skipping coffee is not going to save you. On a tight budget, the real money hides behind 3 doors. Door 1. The roof. It's your biggest bill, so it moves the most. A roommate, a cheaper place when the lease ends, splitting with family for a while. Any one of those can free up $250 a month. Not forever, just for now. Door 2. One phone call. Call the phone company and the internet company and ask one question. Is there a cheaper plan? 10 awkward minutes. It can save you $40 a month, every month, without changing anything else. Door 3. Same food, different label. Store brands and a shopping list. That's $25 a week without eating one bite worse. Open all 3 doors, and that's about $390 a month back. Times 12, $4,680 a year. From 3 moves. And even if you only open 1 door, that's still real money back, every single month. Now, the $10 trick. The last piece of how to budget on low income. The day you get paid, $10 goes straight into a separate account. Before rent, before the list, just 10. Nobody's month falls apart over $10. That's exactly why this works. Do that every week for a year and you have $520. Your first real cushion. And the first time a tire goes flat and you just pay for it? No borrowing, no panic. That feeling is the whole point. Once the jar hits 520, keep going. The second 500 comes faster, because now you believe it. So that's how to
Ah,
budget on low income. Step 1, write down what you must pay. That's your baseline. Step 2, subtract it from what you make. Step 3, rank the rest and draw your money line. And 10 bucks slips into the cushion every payday first. Homework, 10 seconds. What's the number one thing on your list, right after the must pays? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If this helped, the video on your screen right now makes this whole system run on one sheet of paper. And subscribe, new money method every week. I'm Charlie. This is Charlie's Money.